Welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. I would certainly appreciate that to my channel, Cooking with Pouncy. And please share it with others, if you will, please. And let me know what you think. Tonight we're going to, you and I, are going to do some liver and onions. Do a little bit of intro to this liver and onions because there are a lot of people that don't like liver. I don't think that there was a time I grew up on it when they were giving it to you for 10 cents a pound, which tells you how long that's been. It's actually a center plate item now in a lot of very fine restaurants, if you can believe that, and it is. So we're going to be doing some pan-seared liver. Those folks that tend to shy away from it, and I've had many people shy away from it and say under no circumstances would they eat it. Liver is actually very high in nutrients. Look it up. I'm not here to give you a lesson and have you believe me, but just look it up in terms of the nutritional value of liver, okay? And you'll see that liver is high in nutrients. I eat it about, my wife and I, we usually eat it about twice a year, of course. I could eat it more than that, but in moderation, I think anything is okay. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight with this liver, and what it is already sliced. Really nice slices of beef liver here, and I'm only going to use a little black pepper. That's coarse ground pepper. I'm going to use this instead of flour. I'm going to be cheating a bit. Hope you can see that. It's called Kentucky Colonel Seasoned Flour. I use it on my chicken and stuff, and maybe shrimp when I'm cooking, and it's very, very good, very flavorful, and all the stuff that you need, your salt and your pepper and all the spices are in here. And so my cheating is going to be that I'm not going to be seasoning the liver with salt and pepper and all that sort of stuff. It's all in here. You can certainly add more seasoning if you'd like. The only seasoning I'm going to put on is a little bit of this pepper. I'm going to ruin that nutritional value I talked about, and I'm kind of sort of kidding. This is bacon grease or bacon fat. I think it sounds better to say bacon fat than bacon grease that I save in my refrigerator. I'm going to be doing this liver, searing it in about 2 tablespoons of this. That's all you need in your pan. And then I'm going to cheat once again. These are mashed potatoes that are already prepared. These are called Main Street Steakhouse Yukon Gold mashed potatoes. I'll be doing them in this saucepan here. I don't know how many quarts that is, but I'll be doing them in there. You just continue to stir them until they get really, really hot. Then add your butter, or I don't know that you'll need any milk or anything because the consistency is about perfect, okay? And so I'm going to be doing that. The other thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sauteing this onion. This is a Vidalia onion. They're very sweet. This time of year, they're all over the place, and that's what I'll be using tonight. I'll be using that whole onion just for some sauteed onion. I won't be making gravy for the mashed potatoes. My wife and I decided we'll just butter these potatoes once they're hot and on the plate. And so I won't be making gravy for those mashed potatoes. But again, welcome back, or welcome to Cooking with Pouncy, and we're going to do some liver and onions very shortly. Okay, now there you have it, guys. This is it, liver and onion. That's going to be for dinner tonight. If you notice that I tilted that plate that the liver was on to show you the drippings of the blood from the liver, and that's because I didn't overcook the liver. One of the worst things you can do when you're preparing liver is to overcook it, as in shoe leather style. And so if you don't overcook it, this is going to be about medium, maybe a little medium rare and some of the edges on there, but that's okay. Maybe okay, I know it's okay for me. Maybe for you, just try it if you would, guys. I think you might like it. So there it is, liver cooking with Pouncy, and I thank you so much once again for, please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And please share this video and let me know what you think as well. And we're going to enjoy this liver and onion dinner. Thank you so much again for watching Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you.